Okay guys, this is the last toy, so I'm gonna get this last toy out of the way before it. This is the guy we got, and his name is Lofty. And we're gonna get the rest of this clay out of here so I can get his accessories. We've got a little cup. A little cup here. And he's got, oh, a fishbone. There it is in the clay. I'll get it out of the clay later. And of course he has a sticker. And here is his sticker. Okay, that's it. I want you guys to comment below if you'd like to win a fidget spinner, one of the fidget spinners. Comment, subscribe, like, tell your friends about us, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.